Hey guys, so I am super excited about today's video. This is the first of our holiday gift guide videos. I do this series on my channel every year. So I like to highlight gift ideas in a certain price point, in a certain category, or by a certain brand. And today's holiday gift ideas are from Jane Iredale. So if you guys would like to see what they have to offer this year, then just keep watching. And spoiler alert, one of them is an advent calendar. So the first one of the season. I am so thrilled. Just keep watching. Okay, so we'll get to the advent calendar after the other items. The first one is this cute little package here. This is the Dazzle Lip Kit, and it has 3 items in it. I like that it looks like a little piece of taffy or a little piece of candy. Really cute. Inside, it looks like you get 2 lip pencils. These are the Play On. We have Naughty, which is like a cranberry shade, and we have Sunny, and then a sharpener, because if you guys have pencils this size, you know how hard it is to find a sharpener that goes with it. So that is awesome. I've never tried these, so let me just swatch them for you. This first one's like I want to say like a magenta pink color. That was Sunny. And then Naughty, which looks like it might have a little bit of spice to it. It's more like a brick red. So these are really fun shades for the holidays. I have on a combination of these 2 right now because I was still feeling fall vibes. As you can see, I'm filming this right around Halloween, so I'm still feeling the fall vibes, but I'm so excited about holiday items. So that was the first gift idea, and who wouldn't love something like this in like their stocking or under the tree? It's so pretty, you don't even need to wrap it. So first item from Jane Iredale. The second one is this cute palette. This is the Illuminating Lights face palette. Let's open her up. This is what the outside looks like. It's white with little gold dots all over. And inside you have a decent sized mirror, and then it looks like you have 6 face shades. We have Gleam, Beam, Glow, Twinkle, Starlight, and Moonlight. It looks like this one may not be sparkly, so these look like they could be highlighting shades. This one is a highlighting powder, which is awesome. If you don't like shimmer, it will definitely give you that brightened effect without being shimmery. So let's swatch these other ones. Okay, these even could be blushes. They're not as metallic as I thought they would be. So we have the first blush highlight shade. All right. Okay. These actually look like they could be blushes. They're not as intense as I was expecting. These would definitely make great blushes. This will make a great bronzer topper. This one is definitely reflective. And there was one more in here that we haven't tried yet, Starlight, which is definitely the most gold in the bunch. So I would say that the bottom 2 have the most like reflectiveness to them. This one will be a gorgeous highlight on me, and I actually could use a little more blush today, so I'm gonna try Gleam, this peachy orange one here, and see what it looks like as a blush, or if it's like too reflective for a blush. I think it's fine. I mean, it does have a little bit of glow to it right here on the cheeks. You can kind of see a little bit extra glow, but I'm okay with that. As long as you're not having like a really bad skin day or like an active breakout, I definitely think you can get away with using these as blushes. And let's just, why not, try this bronzy one, the glow one, the brown one, as a bronzer topper. It definitely adds some like golden glow, but I mean, doesn't everyone kind of pack on the glow around the holiday season? I think this is nice, and this is also very versatile for multiple different skin tones. Let's try the brightening shade too, why not? Normally I would apply my under eye powder with this little puff, so let me try this. I'm just gonna dip it in. This is the mini blendiful from Tati Beauty. And I'm just gonna see if I can brighten inner corners right here. I definitely think it brightens. This would be amazing to brighten the inner corners. Okay, I think I will get a lot of use out of this little palette. The pans themselves are not huge, but they're a good size. I'd say they're about quarter size, just for a reference. Another great option. The only one that we have left is the 12 Days of Celestial Skincare Makeup. I get so excited about advent calendars every year. It's one of my favorite things about the holiday season. Also, spending time with family, getting a break from work, all of that too. But as far as my YouTube channel goes, I love this time of year for advent calendars. So let's jump right in. Has a magnetic closure. It's navy with gold speckles all over it, and inside you have little drawers, so it's nice and neat. You don't have to worry about like perforated cardboard. You don't have to worry about paper cuts. You simply slide it open and pull it out. And they all come nice and wrapped, which is awesome. The first one is, just says black brown. I'm assuming that this is an eyeliner. Ooh, it is like a black brown. Nice. It's like a great hybrid shade between the two black and brown shades. That was day number 1. Day number 2. Ooh, this is their spice liner. I have this one. This is a lip liner. I don't want to touch it because I already have this one, so I'll probably get this one. But I love this spice lip liner. It's a great color to add to your collection. Now we're starting with the small boxes. Here we have day 3. This feels like a gloss. Let's see. No, what is this? Ooh, longest lash mascara in black ice. I don't know that I've tried many of their mascaras, so that will be fun to try. Day 4. Day 4 is Eye Sheer, S-H-E-R-E, Eye Sheer. I'm not really sure. Champagne Silk. What is this? I guess it's like a liquid shadow. And that's a really pretty color. I'm assuming this is a liquid shadow. Let's see, the back of the box should have the items. Let's see. It's a liquid eyeshadow, yes. And the black ice was a thickening and lengthening mascara. So if you wanted to spoil the surprises, they are all listed on the back as well as the ingredients in each. So this is a liquid eyeshadow. Really fun. It comes in the same little tube as like their glosses. Day 5. Oh, I love their Palm Mist. I had a full-size one and I used it up. This is their Pomegranate Face Hydration Spray. Love the way this smells. Day 6. 24 Karat Gold Dust Shimmer Powder. I feel like I used to have something like this from them. Whoa. Okay, so the little seal already broke, so I can show you what it is without actually opening it. It looks like this on my finger right here. That's pretty. So if you want to add like a layer of gold dust to maybe your lip product, or a little layer of gold dust to maybe the cheekbones, collarbones, that's really fun. I mean, it stinks that the sticker is already open, but I think that I would get a lot of use out of this, and you probably don't need much. I mean, this already spread all here and it was just a little tiny tap. Day 7. Day 7 is the D2O Hydration Spray. I have not tried this one. Spritz to hydrate skin and or to set mineral powders. I love how cute and little these are. They're so fun. Day 8. I don't know what this is. It is a little itty bitty Just Kissed lip and cheek stain, and there's no shade on here. Orange. Okay, so it is right here. It looks like it is an orangey tangerine lip or cheek product. I don't think I've ever used anything like that from them before. But these are so cute, guys. They're so tiny. I mean, look at my hand. It's so tiny. And if you want to admire the nails, go ahead. I hand cut the candy corn myself. Day number 9 is the Pure Lash Extender and Conditioner. I do have a full size of this, and I think it did expire, so it'll be good to have another one. This was like a primer for your lashes. It also conditioned your lashes, which is nice. Day 10. is a pencil sharpener, which you definitely need for the liners because they are wooden liners, but they're really soft. I haven't had any issues with them tugging or hurting my lips in the past. Day 11. Day 11 is a lip drink lip balm in sheer. I think these have to be the tiniest samples I've ever seen. And finally, we have day 12 at the bottom, which looks like a full-size item. Oh my. Smooth Affair Facial Primer and Brightener. Look at that. It says on here, Smooth Affair's anti-aging properties, even skin tone, minimize the appearance of pores and increase skin luminosity. The light, fresh fragrance will lift your mood, skin will feel nourished and look smoother. Your makeup will go on easier and stay longer. Enjoy. Nice. I know I've tried their Smooth Affair mineral tinted sunscreen or something like that, and I really liked that in the past, and it had like a really nice lemongrass scent to it, so I'm hoping this one also has that scent, but I don't want to open it just yet because I have other primers that I'm currently using. But all in all, I think this was a really nice little 12-day calendar. You get 2 full-size liners, you get an eyeliner, a lip liner, you get a full-size primer, you get 2 little face mists, which obviously won't last you super long. You might get, I don't know, 5 to 10 spritzes out of them. I don't know. Really cute. Gold dust powder, which would be amazing for adding to your holiday look. You've got some lip products. You've got a mascara, a primer, a liquid shadow, and a sharpener. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with this box. I like the Jane Iredale products, so I am very excited to get a chance to try these, the ones that are brand new. I will be donating or gifting myself. So thank you so much, Jane Iredale brand, for sending these over for me to share with you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying these holiday gift previews and gift guides. I'll try to keep them coming for you. Leave a comment down below if there's a specific brand or category you'd like me to feature on my channel, and I'll do my best to bring it to you. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.